Welcome back. Tragedy queen of theatres Antoinette de Calangut died on Wednesday midnight. She died after prolonged illness. The 51-year-old theatrist has contributed a lot in the field of theatre.
आशा आसा जायती आसा म्हजो घरकार म्हजी भुरगीं म्हजी भयण म्हाका सदांच बोरवांसो दितात तूं परत स्टेजीर येतलें तूं परत एक्टींग करतलें आशा सोडिना काय झूज म्हणून म्हज्या दुयेंसा कडेन आनी तांच्याच आदारान आयज पासून हांव झुजतां देवाचो आदार घेवन तोच म्हाका आदार दिता आनी तुमी म्हजे पासून जाय तें मागतात म्हजें ऑपरेशन जातलें आनी हांव तुमकां परत सगळ्यांक स्टेजीर दिसती पडटली मागोत रावत म्हजे भलायकी पासून देव बरें करूं.
This was her last address to public in Prudent's program Manka Motia. Antoinette de Calangut died at Manipal Hospital on Wednesday midnight. She died after prolonged illness of kidney failure. 51 years old theatrist is lived by her husband and 2 sons. She was residing in Kolva. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Spandan Goa, an art exhibition at Maquinez Palace, saw art forms from various states. The exhibition had recently received good response. Artists from Goa and other states exhibited their art. Have a look. India coach Wim Kovermans may not be pleased with the team's performance against Bangladesh, but the display by the home team came as a shock to football lovers. India are ranked 10 places above Bangladesh in FIFA rankings, but the visitors looked more impressive when the two sides met at Fatorda on Wednesday. Indian football enthusiasts will look for answers from the AIFF as to why there is no progress in the national football team's ability.
Only a trickling of football fans for the international friendly match between India and Bangladesh was not what the home side would have expected. But that is the case most of the time for a football match at Nehru Stadium in Fatorda. Nevertheless, no fan would have expected that visiting Bangladesh will give a huge scare to India on the pitch. It was sheer brilliance from Captain Sunil Chhetri that saved the day for the hosts. Looking at the scenario where Bangladesh comprised mainly of inexperienced youngsters, while India had more established players, the Indian football lovers are worried at lack of progress. It has been around 1.5 years since Dutch tactician Wim Kovermans is in charge of India. The coach himself was not happy with the result.
Our performance started after a bit shaky start. It was okay. We picked it up and we scored a good goal, and we created quite a few chances after that to nearly finish off the game. It didn't happen. Although I must say that Bangladesh played good football. It was not like that they create one chance after another. So we could defend it well, but I would have preferred to put them under pressure a little bit more. But we are capable of doing it. But I don't know. Today it was not constantly enough.
Bangladesh coach Ludwig de Cruyff was delighted with the display of his young team.
We showed with our young boys, maybe 5 or 6, under 20, 19, 18, even one. The best player on the pitch, number 10, Hemonta, is 17 years old. I think the performance was very well.
Our reporter from Fatorda, Mayur Naik.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.